There you go. That was dumb of me. I fucking started. Alright. Discord is accessing your screen. That's fine. That's fine. So you guys can see everything. Why do I? That's fine. Alright. Ooh, it's 6:13. We need to hurry. Alright, so I want to see what we can get today. As always, I'm not gonna force a trade. Let's hop on the NAS 100 first. Let me make sure my phone. I want to check the news first. It said President Trump talked 3 hours ago. That's crazy. There's no news though what he said, but he said he already talked 3 hours ago. We don't really have news today. I mean, we have a lot of yellow folders. It's basically just a conference month. But that's fine. That is all coolio cheerio. Fuck this squeaky ass motherfucking chair, bro. When US, or this is NAS, just wanna try to get this one out real quick. Alright, let's see. So we came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down. Kinda wanna see it. Kinda wanna see it hold support down here. Because we came up resistance when we finally broke it. We were retesting it. Yeah, we did break it, but we retested here, came back down. Now we just have to come back for a final push up. Clearly, that would be a TP area if we could even see to break it. I don't want to say anything else. Also, yesterday, what did we do yesterday? Yesterday, we at market opening, we had a nasty push up, so we realistically should be. I want to see bearish. The bearish step up today for NAS. Alright, so for this one, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up. Every time we have a higher high, we have a nasty drop low. So I was kind of looking this pre-market, and I wanted to see it basically hold resistance here. That was my initial, when I was just glancing at my phone. That was kind of the thing, but now I can kind of see this holding support, and I really, really want to take. Oh, I have to still enable this one-click trading. I want to actually be quick to. Thing is, we're going to be taking longs there. So this is when we have to look to the left, right? Look to the left. Actually, it feels kind of more like this would be a great. Yeah, seems pretty solid. I am gonna take a buy here, and I realistically don't want. But the thing is, every time we pushed up, came down, pushed up, came down, pushed up. I mean, aren't we expected for a come down here? I mean, am I tripping, or isn't this support? I want to see what it does if she can bounce off of that 593 zone. I mean, we came up resistance, came up resistance. It just makes sense that we broke it, and we want to see a bullish structure. So I'm gonna just take a stab of. I still haven't entered. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. I mean, every time 594. Okay, so we should be bouncing here. If we can't get that bounce, I don't really have a clear form of entry. So this is what I do, right? This, if I don't yet have, I'm still gonna wait. Still gonna wait. Still gonna wait. That's just a rough patch for a so we clearly want to see bears. Okay. Well, I guess we're still following the current market structure. Was thinking we could, I don't know, it just seems like we moved up, came down, moved up, came down. I still want to see it hold something down here for support. But at the same time, market structure says that we have to be bearish in market opening. Take a look at NAS. No doubt market opening, she can easily news. I don't know what news was at 445 PST, but she was bullish at that time. I think the safest bet on US 30 would be to go bears. It's doing the same exact thing that she did yesterday. That's a little tough. Do you just wait to see a retest? Yes. Yeah, actually I'm hoping the yellow line of yours could hold support. Oh man, it just feels like yesterday all over again. I wanted to see it being bullish yesterday, and it just did this. It ended up being so fucking bearish. And now I don't even want to take a sell. I just want to stick to my bullish bias. What you gonna do here? You gonna make new highs, or you just gonna drop? You're already gonna push up. Don't. If we're holding here, we have to be holding somewhere here. How about that? But then where's the wick showing? Wick should be showing 644 of a loss. Stop loss. Oh, that's gonna be nasty though. That could be nasty. That could be nasty. But it makes no sense why we're holding support. We could have came a little bit lower if that was the case. I'm gonna take a stab at a short here. I don't really see much harm. 649. I did enter plus that fill That's bread. I want to say my fills right there. I'm not feeling the best. I just want to keep this extremely tight. So 649 is my entry, my broker. TP wise, if we can even get, man, this would be like the best spot for TP. That actually could be a great support too. Already $32. Wow, when did I get back in drawdown? Already $32 in drawdown, and I had like $40 in drawdown. So what? 10 points, 12 points, and she looks like up. I'm gonna have to respect my stops getting hit over here, but that is exactly what I can't say I'm surprised. $60 in drawdown. So what? That's six from my entry being 649. Price is 664, 56, $60 in the red. Not exactly in surprise. I knew that I was trying to chase a trade. I knew that we have about, let's say, 15 plus 4. I knew that we have about 20 points. So in this type of case, and I want you guys to listen exactly. I knew, just doing my math with my lot size, I knew basically I was risking like say 20 points, right? I mean, if I entered at 596, I see resistance roughly around 615. It's always gonna have to be give or take. You should spare a few points here and there. I knew I'd be sparing no more than basically say $80, right? So what would be appropriate stop loss? I want to say nothing more than $85, $90. 100 would be tops. Kind of still in the red for negative 56. Negative 60. I mean, I'm just scared she's going to push. Negative 72. I'm scared she's going to push, motherfucker. Negative 80. This is where I'm going to just want to just respect my stop loss, guys. Negative. Okay. Oh, shoot. Negative 116. If we get a little bit more of a push, GG's. Negative 108. 100. Negative 100. Come on. What are we doing? What are we doing? I know I said negative 44, but that's negative 96. I want to try to see this. To be really honest, I don't want to give this that much space, especially to get it closer to market opening. I'm scared that we could get a nasty push up, which I don't want. So negative $72, negative $78. I can see that she's trying to come down. At least that's what I'm hoping for here. Negative 100, 104. Let me take a screenshot of this. I'm actually okay with this. Sure, negative 128. Kind of seems like she does want to drop heavy at market opening. Negative 96.80. Negative 92. 649. That's at 24 points at the moment in drawdown, give or take. It's not looking horrible. Is it looking bad? I'm not really convinced so, to be honest, just yet. But I don't want to see it come up again. I don't want to see a higher high. It really does seem like we're holding here, which, you know, which I did say you always want to give a few points here and there. But exactly, if we're not dropping, I don't really know what could be happening, and that's what's scaring me. Negative 116, negative 122. Drawdown. Negative 80. I am scared for my life, lad. I don't want to fuck up this account. Negative 8480. Why does it say every number ends with 80 cents? Negative 6480. Come on, bro. We gotta just drop. Negative 64. Negative 76. Negative 80. 649. Negative $12. Negative 24. 28. Negative $6. Oh, this is gonna be scary, bro. Oh shit, negative 75. We're going back up. Oh shit. She wicked my fucking resistance. This is gonna get scary, lad. This is gonna get real scary. Negative 80. This is gonna get real scary. Real scary. 649. Negative 96. Negative, okay. I probably I'm gonna give it just negative 128. Okay. Okay, just closed out. Woo! Okay, so I did close out at negative 212. Wait, I have to confirm it. Negative 232. Want to see what it does. Want to see what it does. Want to see what it does. So we broke it. I want to see it. Can we do something here with the wicks over there? Want to see something. I want to see how she's holding at the 685. Let's clear these charts up, please. Can we see something? Got back in the cell, and I want to take a screenshot. I'm already up, down negative $92, but that's okay. I know what I'm doing. RZ, positive $20, positive 48, 32. What's my entry? 724. Back and draw down 16, negative 16. You gotta at least come back to this. I'm not even looking to make back my loss here. I don't. Positive 103, positive 187, positive 195, positive 200. I know that you're gonna come back here because now you're bullish, so you're gonna have to come at positive 170, positive 160. You're gonna have to come. You're gonna have to. Positive 188, positive 192, positive 206, positive 224. Snap it! Drop, bitch! 220, 204, 204, 204, 180, 170. Drop, bitch! Drop, bitch! 216. She's holding 228. Drop, bitch. 208, 208, 208, 204, 184, 168, 212, 224, 256. Drop. Drop 256, 236. Drop. 252, 264, 300. Drop. 272 in profit. You're gonna drop. Yes. All right, gonna close out there. Oh, 330. It's just dropping, motherfucker. Oh. All right. So, can I actually copy and paste this from your MacBook? I'll take it. I'll take today. I'll take today. Hey, I told you, I want to see this as TP for that sale. I told you. Here. Come on. Can I not copy and paste? How do I copy? All right. Being transparent doesn't get more transparent than that, right? Since that one worked, I should show you this one too. Let me show you my account balance on account flip.